Take this and remember ANAN all the time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, man.
There are two. So one is for my boss.
I don't want to count, man.
Thank
Thank you, man. ANAN Council met and decided that we should come to Rivers State. The sheriff in town is a fellow of ANAN. Fubara is a fellow. Not only him, even his wife is a fellow of ANAN. So in our council meeting in Abuja, ANAN decided we should go to Rivers State and pay a solidarity visit to our man who is at the helm of affairs. We know he has no challenges, but then we should come and encourage him and put courage to him to do what he knows best in ruling Rivers State. Rivers State is a very peculiar state. It's a treasury base. In fact, Rivers State carries Nigeria on his shoulder like an atlas. Anything that goes wrong in Rivers State, Nigeria has collapsed. We have only come to identify with you and the government and people of Rivers State. We have a program which started this morning. We call it MCPD, Mandatory Continuing Professional Development Practice. In every year, we go to meet our accountants in the various senatorial zones. This is the second batch. The first was in the North Central, and it was in Kogi State. We met in Lokoja, that was in February. And this second batch, we are coming to the South, and we chose Rivers State. Tomorrow, the opening ceremony is kicking off. Wednesday, we will continue our lectures and end up in the evening after inducting more members. Man, just like the CEO has told you, the Association of National Accountants of Nigeria is the second statutory professional accountancy body in this country. ANAN has a college in Jos, called the Nigerian College of Accountancy, which is a professional body wherein all accountants, almost all the accountants you see here, passed through that college, including my humble self. Having perfected that, in recent time, we have established a university, ANAN University, also in Jos.
It's indeed gratifying. When conferences or meetings are scheduled in Rivers State, for us, it's a plus because it resonates the fact that Rivers State is safe. It resonates the fact that River Place is a place where you can do business and interact with people. So on our part, it's actually a pleasure to have you come meet, hold your national or senatorial meeting in Port Harcourt. So it's a great delight to have you here. And also to say that it's an association that rings a bell everywhere. You just hear ANAN, ANAN, ANAN. In fact, two of my staff actually just passed their exams. And the guy went to Jos, and I said, what are you going all the way to Jos? He said, no, it's mandatory, I have to be there. And so you're doing a good job. You're doing a wonderful job, and it's good to be good and consistent, so that you have that integrity for the association. And to congratulate you for the college that has been established, because anything to do with education, it's something that is top-notch, because people have to learn, train, and be retrained. And to tell you that my governor is very passionate about things that have to do with improvement of capacities and building of individuals and human beings. I believe that he will be delighted. I won't make too much commitment, but I know he'll be delighted to do something that puts his name in the marble when you talk about ANAN College. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We are honored, man.